Hey everybody, this is Robot from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. October 2020, we're live in the showroom. Oh, it's not really live, it's YouTube live. Today I'm going to share 3 different options for passenger foot pegs for the Primavera and Sprint. Whether you have a 2015 Sprint or you have the latest and greatest Primavera Sport or any of those models, 50cc, 150, the Electrica, they all have pretty much the same body. So these 3 styles of foot pegs will fit. So we have 3 different styles. 2 are very similar, just one being a black foot peg, one being aluminum. These are the SIP styles foot pegs. And then we have the Bizzetti rubber foot peg, which is more of a traditional style. So the reason you may want extra foot pegs is for either passenger comfort or even rider comfort on longer trips. And let me show you how they work. So pretty much the normal plastic footrest that's found on the Primavera, if you're sitting at the passenger's position, you're pretty cramped because the driver is occupying most of the floorboard, so there's not much room to really, you can put your palms on that plastic footrest to kind of grip with a scooter. But if you add these accessory foot pegs that fold out, you have an extra spot to rest your foot. And whether you're a driver and you move towards a forward position, maybe that's just more comfortable to move your legs back, or maybe, you know, if you're a passenger, then you definitely have a spot that feels much more secure. So that's the major benefits. The cool thing about these SIP style foot pegs is they look cool. They're available in both aluminum and black. They fold in very easily. The downside of them is they're not easily compatible with the crash bars that connect to this access point. It is possible to install these. You will need to find a longer fastener and do some trimming with a Dremel tool to make these work with the crash bars that would all bolt in this. The other pitfall of these foot pegs is they only mount with 1 screw. You can see they move a little bit even when you have the screw pretty tight. And the last thing you'd ever want to do with these is step on this. It would just break right off. And just the single 6mm screw is not enough to support the weight of standing up on these foot pegs. So on to the Bizzetti folding footrest. It's more the traditional style rubber footrest that you find on a motorcycle or a foot peg. It folds out, uses the resistance of the rubber, the cam over this bracket, so you can have it up and out of the way, such as the way it's set up on the scooter currently. Or if you want to put it in use, just go ahead and fold it down. And as a driver, you can find that's another spot to rest your foot that's secure. And being rubber, you get quite a bit of grip on it versus either the standard plastic footrest that's just textured plastic. You don't get much grip on that. And the same with the SIP style foot pegs. They definitely look sharp, but that knurled aluminum doesn't give that much feel or texture. And as a passenger, these work just as well. They don't stick out quite as far as the SIP styles aluminum foot pegs, but they definitely have a more secure feel to them. You can actually put all your weight on them because they're not as far out and they're mounted with 2 separate fasteners. So the PR02-BZ Bizzetti foot peg completely replaces the plastic footrest that's found on the Primavera and Sprint. And it bolts in place with 2 screws that are included with the package. And the best part about this, if you're looking to add crash bars, it's easily outfitted and works and is compatible with the crash bar setups that connect to the same mounting point. So on the scooter with the crash bars already installed, we'll go ahead and take an Allen wrench and remove the screw that fastens the set of crash guards to this single fastener here, or to this single mounting point. And now that you have the crash bars out of the way, you want to remove this stock peg. And there's going to be a pair of snaps, so it just snaps out of the way. There's going to be the single fastener under here. Take a T25 Torx driver and go ahead and remove that single fastener. And then go ahead and replace it with the Bizzetti Footpeg. And you could start by replacing the fastener. You're going to need to use a longer self-tapping screw that's included with the Footpeg. And we'll just, for right now, we'll just start the screw and tighten it all the way down yet. And we'll go ahead and get the foot pegs right over the mounting hole, and you can go ahead and tighten this all the way back down. So oftentimes when you have 3 different accessories, you're gonna have to do a lot of tugging and pulling to get all the fasteners to line up. And oftentimes is what I'll do is I'll use a screwdriver to kind of jimmy everything pretty close. You don't want to cross thread the fastener, and once it starts and it's catching the threads, then you're on the home run right here. So go ahead and tighten that. You don't want to over tighten this fastener. So if you're installing these Bizzetti foot pegs on a scooter without crash guards, I would recommend using the fastener that's included with the foot peg kit. Again, the Bizzetti foot pegs replaces this whole entire plastic passenger footrest that's found on the Primavera and Sprint. And once you get that all tightened down, go ahead and tighten the screw all the way down in the front as well. So now your passenger has a very secure spot that's a little higher than the crash bars and the rear of the foot, the floorboards, the rest of their foot. And as a driver, you may find these are more comfortable, especially on a longer trip, the rest your feet on. So, and when you want them out of the way, just flip them up. So in order to install the SIP styles foot pegs, you just need a T30 Torex driver and a 5mm Allen wrench for the fasteners here that are included with the foot pegs. So go ahead and move the single fastener. It holds the plastic footrest that's found on the Primavera Sprint. And keep in mind this little end cap will be loose when you have that fastener pulled out. And just go ahead and set the peg right on top. Drop the included screw onto onto the new foot peg, and pretty much just tighten the screw down with a 5mm Allen wrench. And take care not to over tighten this fastener, because it does just go into a metal clip that's in that plastic little finish cap of the floorboard. So once you have these installed, they flip out and give you another outrigger that's much further out. Just keep in mind, these are not suitable to stand on. They will break away from the scooter. They definitely look pretty sharp, how they fold in, but they're merely just a footrest and not something you'd stand up on. And here's the silver version. Maybe that suits your taste better than the all black version. Functions the same as the black version. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that gave you more ideas about the footrests, passenger footrests that are available for the Primavera and Sprint. Looking at them on a photo on a website doesn't tell you much about them, but I can tell you the video probably is just like 1,000 words. Tells you a lot more on how they function, and you're able to see how they work and what they're compatible with. Make the decision for yourself. If you're looking for these, you can find them on Vespa Motorsport mail order website, scooterwest.com, and just search PR02 and you'll see the 3 different foot pegs options available. They're all pretty inexpensive and very easy to install. Until next time, this is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and scooterwest.com. Thanks for watching.